Hey guys, I'm at my favorite Dollar Tree up in Providence, Utah. It's a cloudy, overcast, foggy kind of day. So let's go inside the Dollar Tree and see if they have anything new for us this week. Let's go in. Alright guys, I saw Pookie's View find these or haul these, but she didn't show this one. Route 66, Texas. Coffee. Here, open 24 hours. Super cute if you have a coffee bar. And morning man cave. Enter at your own risk. These are super fun. And they're made out of metal. So they're not cheapy plastic, y'all. Okay, I have not seen anybody show these. They have these special collector's edition, the Beatles Forever magazine. It's like a TV guide. And then they have this one that says Remind 80s, where are they now? And look, who's the boss? Michael J. Fox, Mr. T. I pitied a fool. So yeah, so those are pretty cool for $1.25. I think I'm gonna pick up this Beatles one for my stepdad for Christmas. Okay, so my Dollar Tree up here doesn't have too many books, but I thought I would share these three that I thought were worthwhile. This one says You Matter, Learning to Love Who You Really Are, which I thought was a good book to have. This one says The Monastic Heart, 50 Simple Practices for a contemplative and fulfilling life. And this one I saw Marina from Confessions of a Dollar Tree show this, but I wanted to grab one for me. Present Not Perfect for You and Me, a journal for getting closer, connecting with each other, and loving your relationship. So I'm definitely going to pick that one up, and I might pick up one of each of these other ones as well. Oh my goodness, you guys. I saw Marina, Confessions of a Dollar Tree addict, find these in her Dollar Tree. These gorgeous faux gold frames. They have like a chalkboard inside. Look at how pretty they are. Look at the detailing on that. And I was thinking, you guys, this would be so cool. Like on your vanity, you could put some pretty paper in there and put it on your vanity with like little perfume bottles. Would be so pretty. And I think I'm going to get one of these to DIY. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at how flipping cute these are. Look at these ice cream novelty erasers and donut erasers by Jot. Aren't they adorable? Great for like people playing with their dolls. And I found they were in this box here, but it looks like the ice cream one, this is the last one, but they have plenty of the donuts. Okay guys, so this is interesting. This is a journaling Jot floating pen. So like when you move it, it's like a lava lamp. That's kind of fun. You could have a good time with this pen. I might have to pick one of these up. And then here's a floating pen with glitter. You guys can see. That one seems to be taking a little bit of time. But those are fun. Be great stocking stuffers. You guys look. Be unique. Quality filing. This is Revlon times Barbie. You guys, these are Revlon nail files. And you get 2 of them for $1.25. That is such a steal, you guys. If you see these, scoop some up. Great for stocking stuffers or like a little beauty kit for a Christmas gift. And you guys, look at these cute lip balms with the hats. There's Peanuts with Snoopy. Believe, Elf on the Shelf. Minions. Frosty, and another Believe. These are great for stocking stuffers or gift baskets, you guys. And look, you guys, they brought back the Friends lip balms Central Perk coffee. So what flavors we got? This one is strawberry frappe, iced coffee, black coffee, vanilla latte for your friend-loving fans. They have the Madison Tyler headbands. And they have the green and pink scrunchies. And you guys, I have to tell you, I wish you could like feel how flipping soft those are. And then they have the clip, which is also the really soft material. Super soft and fuzzy. Great for like pajama parties or hanging out. You guys, look at these bandages. We got Cool Llama, Aliens, Baby Dino, oh my goodness, Mermaid, Pineapple, and Unicorn. Oh, you guys, those are great for like when your little ones get boo-boos. How fun are those? So I haven't seen these before. Bath Playtime Activity contains 6 foam pieces, Paw Patrol. So I guess you can like stick them on a bathtub maybe, like when your kids want to play. You can stick them like on the bathtub wall. Those are cool. And then I also finally found the Blippi with the Spin Me 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Got some kids bath slime and foam soap. And the Trolls 3-in-1 with the fuzzy troll hair. These are new. This is Pride, Love is Love. It's a head wrap and a headband. Oh, and a scrunchie for the Pride Rainbow. Very neat. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these earmuffs. Look at that. I don't know what that is, but it's cute. And look at the little froggy. Oh my goodness. And a bunny. And what's this pink one? A kitty cat. How adorable would these be for your little ones to keep their little ears warm during the winter? Oh my goodness, they are so cute. Okay, so they have these felt kits. Skill Level Beginner. It's like a cheetah, butterfly, a doggy on a Roomba, butterfly, another butterfly. What's this one down here? Bunny rabbit. Says you get fabric, embroidery floss, embroidery needle, easy to follow instructions. This would be fun to keep your kids busy during like a holiday dinner. So these are great with the holiday and entertaining season coming up. There are 8 compostable bowls, extra strong, and 12 little mini plates for like desserts. So if you compost or you want to entertain and you don't want to do too much damage on the environment, you can pick these up and then you can compost them when you're done. Very cool. All right, here are the cobblestone corner miniatures. I think they look kind of cheap this year, guys. What do you think? I don't feel they look as nice as they have in the years past. So you have to let me know what you guys think. Do they light up again this year? Huh, well they do light up. You can turn it on. Well, maybe not. Alright, so they do light up, which is cool, but I don't know, they look kind of cheap to me. Okay, so I don't recall these little ornaments where you can fill in somebody's name. So they have a gingerbread man. They have the little Santa helper elves. And they have the little snowman. So you can do like little personalized ornaments, or these would also be great, you guys, on gifts. And then that way they can have a gift tag that they can keep forever. So I think that's a really cute idea. Hey guys, we are at the Dollar Tree on Main Street in Logan, Utah. We'll go browse inside and see if we can find anything good here today. Alright guys, look at these jars. They're like little honey pots. And I don't know if you could tell, they're glass. So they have orange, purple, and green. So I don't know if these were supposed to be here for like Halloween, and they just now put them out, but they're cute. And the green ones you can use for Christmas. So they have lots of different candy cane options. There is a giant candy cane from Cold Stone Creamery and Birthday Cake Remix. Creamsicle, which you know I gotta get me one of those. Kool-Aid giant candy canes and cherry tropical punch and grape. Some more Kool-Aid candy canes. Look at these guys, jet puffed gummies. Those are cute. Okay, I have seen it all. Twinkie candy canes. Yep, you heard that right, guys. Twinkie candy canes. Not sure how good those are going to be. And then here is some hot cocoa candy canes. Don't know about that either. Okay guys, so here they have the bath playtime activity foam pieces in Cocoa Melon, Mini, and Gabby's Dollhouse. Hello. And then I think I saw in the back they had the Paw Patrol as well. But fun for playing in the bath. So they have these artificial Pompas in this really pretty pink and this gray. And it says in the box they're supposed to be, I think, a purple, but it's like somebody snatched up all the purples, but they're really pretty. So here are some good books. Midnight Meditations for Moms, Calming Comfort for the Wee Hours. A Rhythm of Prayer, a collection of meditations for renewal. And then Marina found this, all of this is for you. A little book of kindness. And then I gotta show you guys what I found. The unofficial Disney Parks Epcot Cookbook. You guys, how cool is that? Okay, you guys, don't pass up on packages that look like not very standoutish, because look, Maybelline Color Jolt Intense Lip Paint, and then Maybelline Infallible Paints and Mattes, and then they even have it in the pink. So what is that one? Metallics. So definitely don't pass up these when you see them. Stop and take a look, because there might be some brand name goodness inside. So here is some Revlon nail polish. Let's see what else we got back there. Some Q-Tex. Some, get my hand out of the way, Revlon nail polish there. Some more Revlon. Never seen that before. So I know that these cookies, I heard, don't taste very good, but if you want something fun for your kids to decorate, it's a good deal. But check this out, guys. Gingerbread House Kit. Includes icing, ready-to-use sprinkles, and sugar pearls. So there's everything that you get. And of course you can add your own candies. But if you want to do a gingerbread house, because we do one every year, and they're like $10 for the cheapest one at like Walmart. So to get one for $1.25, I think for you to do with your kids is such a good deal if you just want to decorate one and have something fun to do. Alright, I found one Lonely Pillsbury Gingerbread Cookie Mix, which would be great if you're going to do like a fun gift for like a neighbor. You could do a gingerbread cookie mix, and like a towel and a spatula or something would be a really cute neighbor gift. And it's only $1.25 for this cookie mix, so maybe you guys can find some at your store.